Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are officially on day 20 of my 25 days of Christmas gifts for him series. We have 5 days left, 5 days till Christmas, which means I have 5 more items and brands to highlight for you all. But if this is your first time checking out this channel, welcome, happy holidays, and make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribing down there and hitting that bell so that you don't miss the last 5 days of my series. Make sure you guys are going back to check out the previous 19 days. There's still time to get most of, not all, but most of the items that I have already highlighted. And I'm sure those brands would love to hear from you all and let them know that I'm the reason you came to them. I cannot believe that we're down to the last 5 days. You know, in the beginning, this was a lot, but as we get towards the end, I can say that it's starting to get kind of sad to know that my 25-day series is coming to an end. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I really hope that you all are continuing this journey with me and have gone the last 20 days really following along and enjoying what I have to say. So, in honor of this being the 20th day, I thought that I would highlight some of the dopest shoes that I've come across so far. Now, I've already showed you guys one piece collab from Vans. Now, it's time to show you guys a different collab. So there's a new Willy Wonka prequel coming out, and honestly I'm really excited about it, which is why I decided to get my hands on a pair of their Wonka shoes. Now they have 2 different types, the brown and the purple. Unfortunately, by the time I make this video, the brown ones are already sold out. However, I did get my hands on the purple ones, and honestly I'm not upset about it at all. First off, this is the Wonka box. It looks like a big Wonka bar, which is obviously why I had to get it as well, because you guys know I love a good box, and these did not disappoint at all. It has the big gold Wonka up front. Pretty dope. I'm just saying, it's pretty dope. But I will always keep these in a box. I mean, I think that these are so cool. Wait till you see what the shoes look like. If you like the box, the shoes are about to blow you guys away. When I tell you that these shoes are probably the dopest I've come across so far, I mean it. And you guys know I love my collabs, especially with Converse. But take a look at these. I know the purple is a lot, but when you think about how exclusive and how unique these shoes are, you'd realize it's really easy to outfit this if you try. But it's more about the design in them. Look at those. Guys, that purple swirl is wild to me. It's supposed to replicate a Wonka bar. Chocolate caramel on top, and it goes around the full circle there. It screams Wonka. That quirkiness, that silliness, that weirdness. It's all about it, and that's why I wanted these. They are seriously so dope. But here's what's really cool about them. Now, I'm gonna try to show you guys the inside, because the inside of these shoes literally is a golden ticket. Literally a golden ticket in there. Literally a golden ticket. I think that's so cool. Obviously, you guys know when I get these shoes are not meant for me to wear all the time. I will definitely for sure figure out an outfit for these. But what I really just wanted to highlight is the quality of the shoes. Once again, they did not do a press on with these shoes. They're leather, the quality of them is so good. I really hate when a shoe is just like kind of like that iron-on material where you can tell they just kind of like laid around it, got it to stick to it, and it's not actually done in there. I mean, its stitching is embroidered, it's leather, it's around 360 with the style. It doesn't take any corners. I'm really loving the detail here with the red and the purple. This is really colorful, really weird, and that's what I like about them. Right now, I've already said that the brown one, which are also dope, are out. However, these are $79.99. They are having a deal on it for the holidays. Guys, these just came out the beginning of the month. They are probably the hottest Converse right now, and it's because of all of the Wonka that's going on right now. It's highlighting everything. These are the way to go. Yes, you can't wear them all the time, but rocking these, man, I will put together a great white outfit, use this customize an outfit just for these. You don't need to get your entire outfit to go with them. That's why you get these. Your shoes are always your focal point. This is the point of getting wild shoes, not to have a full outfit match them, but to have your shoes be the focal point, to be the talking point of your outfit. That's why we get these, dude. We don't get these for them to match the outfit 100%. We balance it. They killed it with these shoes. Converse does such a great job with their collabs, and this is why. I've had their Scooby-Doo Converse, I've done their Looney Tune Converse, I've done their Space Jam Converse. I've done a lot of their collabs, and honestly, it seems as though each collab they're getting cooler and cooler, and these did not miss. I think that the detail that they put into it, I mean, like they have the Wonka right there on the side. I just think all of the detail, putting the golden ticket in the base of the shoe, all of those things just made these shoes worth it to me. And when you see them side by side, they're so cool. I think that these will be a great gift for him. I think that if you have a sneakerhead in your life, they will love a pair of unique shoes. Make sure you guys are getting a ticket to Wonka too. Take him to see the movie in his new shoes. But these are the move. I have really enjoyed all of the shoes that I've decided to highlight for my 25 Days of Christmas series. But let me tell you, these probably are my favorite, and you all know I love me some One Piece. But these are a game changer. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would he wear these shoes? Are these as dope as I think they are? Because I seriously think that these are a hit right here. I haven't seen anything this wild or unique in a hot minute. These shoes are pretty dope. My shoe collection is getting huge and I am loving it, but I am really excited about adding these specific shoes to my collection. I really loved my 20th day. I wanted to do something very unique because we are getting down to the last days, and I really want to make sure that I end this series on a high note. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribing down there and hitting that bell. Go back and check out my previous videos. All 19 of them are highlighting different complete things. There's something for every guy, I promise you that. Go back and just take a look at them. Make sure you guys are leaving comments in those too, because I want to know what you all are thinking about those highlights. I want to thank you guys for continuing this journey with me. We're almost done, and I can't believe it. I have watched my social media grow from this, and I just want to thank you all so much for sticking with me through all of this and keeping it going. As always, guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.